Measure and increase employee productivity with Yaware.TimeTracker. In this video, you will find out how to categorize resources and customize the productivity status of used applications and visited websites. Enter your account and proceed to the tab Categorization. The menu allows to categorize resources that are not yet in the database of Yaware.TimeTracker. Change the categories of the websites and applications that are in the database by default. Assign productivity status of used resources, and customize automatic categorization. Let's have a look at each section. Uncategorized resources. The following 3 steps allow you to categorize resources that are not yet in the database. Step 1. Choose the resources. Specify applications and websites you want to categorize by clicking the left mouse button next to the desired application or website. You can select the resources by Search, entering the name of the needed application or website, choosing the resources from a list of unknown applications that your employees were using, and choosing the applications and websites from the list of unknown resources used by a particular employee. Step 2. Choose the category. Click the left mouse button on the category or subcategory where you want to move the resources chosen in the previous step. You can also use Search to find the desired category. If the necessary category is not in the list, you can create a new one by clicking on Create Category. Step 3. Confirmation. Check whether you have selected an application and a category correctly, and confirm the transference by clicking the Move button. If you find any errors, make changes and confirm the move. So, categorization of unknown applications is completed. It is recommended to categorize unknown resources regularly to accurately determine the efficient use of working time. The Categorized Applications menu allows you to change the categories of applications, which are already in Yaware.TimeTracker database and were set by default. Category is a set of applications related to a common topic. For example, accounting, business, e-commerce are included in the category Business and Finance, emails and chats in the category Communication. You can create your own categories or edit existing ones, rename, move, and delete unwanted ones. For example, you want to move an application MailChimp from the category Business to the category Marketing. To do this, go to the category Business, find the application and select it by clicking on it. Then drag it to the category Marketing. Now Yaware.TimeTracker will automatically attribute MailChimp to marketing applications. In case you need to move multiple applications, hold down the Control key and set them by clicking on them with the left mouse button. Then drag them into the desired category. If there is not a suitable category, you can create one. To do this, click on Create a Category, enter its name, and press Create. Therefore, you can also remove the categories that are not relevant to your company. Defining the productivity status. The next step is defining the productivity status of chosen resources. Most of the applications already have their own productivity status by default. To change the productivity status, simply click on the new status you would like to have for the chosen category. All changes will be saved automatically. You can select individual settings for defining the productivity of the employee or a whole department or group of employees. If you select the group and set the productivity status for a category, your changes will be automatically applied to all users in that group. In case you need to define the settings for a particular user, select the group to which the employee belongs, specify the name, and click Create. Now you can change the productivity status of applications he is using. Automatic categorization of the resources. Yaware.TimeTracker also provides you with an automatic categorization. Automatic categorization allows you to specify particular conditions that help to add resources to the specified category automatically. For example, you can add your company website to the Site Administration category and make this category productive. Thus, all websites' domains will be added to the same category and all of them will be productive by default. How to add a rule. 1. Click on the Add Rule button. 2. Choose a category. In our case, it is business. 3. Enter the domain name with an asterisk at the beginning and at the end. 4. Click Save a Rule. After that, the resources that contain this combination of characters will subject to the rule. If you put the asterisk only at the beginning, all site subdomains will be added to the category you've specified. If you want to apply automatic categorization to websites in different domain zones, put an asterisk at the end of the set of characters. You can change the categories and productivity status at any time. Categorize the applications, configure the productivity statuses for your staff, and evaluate the efficiency of each employee. Sign up for Yaware.TimeTracker right now and start increasing productivity already today.